A rainy day. It was the 17th of July. There was no still in the air. The earth seemed to be burning. Everybody perspired from head to foot. Foot भी लिख सकते हैं, head to toe भी, TOE. All of a sudden, dark clouds appeared from the north. They covered the sky in no time. Before long, it began to rain very heavily. The streets were soon full of water. The rain stopped after a couple of hours. The air became cool and the weather was very pleasant. A rainbow appeared in the sky. The trees and their leaves began to glitter like pieces of green glass. But some old houses fell down and their inmates received serious injuries. Despite all that, it was a day of merry making.